It's near to the end of November.
A clue!
Oh wait, you found our 3 clues? Where?
Behind you!
Oh, right here. We have a pasta, we have a raisin, and we have snoring. Okay, well, we better draw these in our handy dandy notebook. Right. Okay, first let's draw pasta. First, we can make an oval right here with a smaller one inside of it, and then we can draw some curvy lines like this for the pasta. And then I'll use my red crayon to color in some sauce. And we have pasta. And we have our first clue. Now let's draw snoring. We can make a circle for the head, 2 curvy lines for the eyes closed, an oval for the mouth, and then we can draw some Z's like this. There, snoring. There, and now let's draw a raisin. We can make this curving oval shape like this, and add some curves inside of it. And there, a raisin. Hey, we have all 3 clues. You know what that means. We're ready to sit in our
Thinking chair!